Hello student, I am Reshma and today I am going to discuss about the manpower utilization, and this is for again Masters Hospital. So what do you understand by the manpower utilization? So the manpower utilization is the business concept that describes how effectively the organization uses its manpower or maybe the employees. So this concept, the manpower utilization concept, is used to evaluate the output in the relation of the labor cost in the organizations. So that means the organizations, how it's measured the utilization of the employees in terms of the cost or maybe the monetary value or maybe the money the organization invest in the employees in relation to the output of the employees, how much the organization is getting from the employees. So when you calculate these both, when you evaluate the cost and the output of the employees, then you will be able to understand how effectively you are able to utilize the resource, the human capitals in your organizations. So there are the different tactics, or maybe through the different training programs, the organization enhance the skills and abilities of the employees so that the employees are able to perform in an efficient way. So if the employees, they perform their day-to-day life in a efficient way, they do in a better way, then their productivity will go high. So as the productivity of the employees increases, automatically the productivity of the organization also will be increased. So this is the very important task of the organizations, to utilize their employees in a best possible ways so that the organizations will able to achieve its desired goal on a specific period of time, and the employees also will get different sorts of benefits from the organizations if the organization is doing better. So now we'll talk about the importance of manpower utilization. So far we have understood what is manpower utilizations, and we also know that the organization, it tries to develop the different types of policies and the strategies so that it would help to increase the productivity of the employees. And the organizations also provides such atmosphere to the employees so that they are able to connect with each other, they are able to develop the interpersonal skills, so that again helps them to boost their productivity. So the manpower utilization has got some very important factors or maybe the important points which we will discuss here. So the first one is reduction in cost. So the manpower utilization helps the organization to reduce the cost of the employees which they spend or invest on the employees. So how does the organizations are able to reduce the costing of the employees? So as we have already spoken that in manpower utilization, the organizations, they provide the different sorts of training and development program, and also they tries to enhance the ability, skills and knowledge of the employees through different seminar or maybe through different activities. So when the productivity or maybe the efficiency of the employees goes high, then automatically this will reduce the cost which is incurred on the employees through the organizations. So here the employees are able to perform better than before they used to do, and also they are able to produce the more amount of productivity in a short span of time. So here again the organization is gaining profit, so their costing will be less and the productivity of the organizations will be on higher side. So thus this will help to reduce the cost of the organization. The second importance of manpower utilization is the clarity in performing tasks. So here the organizations is able to tell the employees that what is expected out of them. The management is able to clarify the work which the employees has to perform in their day-to-day life. So since the employees, they know what is expected out of them, what exactly they have to do, and they got all sorts of equipments, or maybe the supporting the elements which is required to perform a particular job. So they are equipped with all sorts of requirements which they need for performing their job. So through using all these equipments, or all the helping elements which the employees they use to perform the work in day-to-day life in the organization, so the employees will be able to deliver the more productivity. Once the work is clarified to the employees, then this will again help the employees to deliver in a better way, in a best possible way. The third importance of manpower utilization is the less wastage of resource. So far we have known that in manpower utilizations, the organization tries to provide the different sorts of training and development program. So the employees are able to perform their work in a more efficient way. So here the wastage of the resource is less, because the employees are well equipped with the skills and ability and knowledge which are required to perform a job. So of course every employee will be able to give the best productivity. They will be able to perform the work in a more efficient way. So of course in that way the wastage of the resource will be on a lesser side. And the next importance could be that it saves the money of the organizations. So how can we understand this point? See, like we already know that the employees are actually well equipped with the training and development programs. So the existing employees, those who are there in the organizations, if they are able to perform their proper work, they are happy, the organization also is happy. So the employees will not leave the organization and go. So the organization, they don't have to spend a lot of money for the recruitment process or to hire the other employees. So here the costings, or maybe the money, the organization will be able to save. So these money can be again utilized to increase the more and more the productivity of the employees. And the last importance of manpower utilizations for the organizations could be the organization's goal can be achieved faster. So every organization has some or the other set goal which the employees actually try to achieve. So by the different types of planning, or by the different sorts of policies or the strategies which the organizations take into consideration in the course of manpower utilizations. So through that, the employees will be able to work all the more hard, and their productivity also will be more and more day by day. So this will of course help the to achieve the organizational goal even in a faster way.